All right, what's going on, traders? I'm back with another review of our US30 Quantum Trading Bot. Our bot has been performing exceptionally well throughout these markets. Right now, our bot has hit astronomical profits. You can see that we are close to hitting 900% in profits over the course of a little bit over 2 years. Right now, our US30 bot has done 879% in profit. And for all of the members in our private group who are with us for over 2 years, have now benefited from using our US30 trading bot. And congratulations to all of the members who joined us over 2 years ago. Right now, we are on course to do 900% in profits. So we've been using this trading bot with our private group, which were only a few members. We designed this bot all together exclusively with our team of engineers. And then finally, we introduced it to the public back in February 23rd, 2023. This bot was specifically designed for prop firms as it only takes 1 to 3 trades during New York Open. You are only risking 1.5% on the challenge phase. And then on the funded phase, we recommend everyone to risk about 0.8 to 1%. If I go to the weekly profits, right now, I'm going to pull up my MetaTrader 4 and go through the entire history right now, And I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Right now, you guys can see $879,702 in profit, just like my social trader tool, exactly the same. Even if I pull up my iPhone right now, you guys can see that it is exactly the same profits, $979,702 in profit. $702 is the balance. Now, I'm just going to go over the weekly profits right now. This is a risk to reward bot. This is not a HFT bot, you guys. This is a real trading bot that only opens 1 to 3 trades during New York Open. All you guys need to do is install it and trade 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day is all you need to become profitable. So if I go on April 7th, right now, there was one winning trade right there, $4,000 in profit. And then on April 8th, we had small profits right there. The reason why it happens like this is because of the trailing stop. These 2 trades were actually in profit, but they actually closed before going back into a negative because of the trailing stop. And then we had a losing trade right there, minus 4,000. And then on the 9th of April, we had one losing trade right there, minus 4,000, which is not even 1%. If you guys are using an FTMO account, all of the lot sizes are adjustable. So if you guys are using $200,000 account, you guys will be using 50 lots. If you guys are using a $100,000 account, you guys will be using 25 lots, and so on and so on. And then this will be about 12.5 lots. So right now on the 200 lot size, it's minus 4,000. But again, if you guys are using a 200K account, you guys are going to be using 50 lots. We are using these high lots because the account has grown so much. And you can see the risk to reward on this bot. April 10th, we hit $24,000 in profit. And then on the 11th, we had 2 losing trades, minus 4,000, minus 4,000. Again, if this was 50 lots, then you guys would have lost 1,000 per trade, making it losing 1% on a single day. On the 14th, we made up for some of those losses. We had $8,000 win, and then we had a $9,000 win, and then we had another $4,000 win. So on the 14th, we had 3 winning trades, 8,000, 9,000, 4,000. And then on the 15th, we had 1 losing trade of minus 4,000. And then on the 15th again, we had a winning trade. So actually, this ended up being a winning day. And then on the 16th, we had another win right there of $8,500 in profit, bringing our weekly profit to $45,840, 30 minutes a day, which is all you need. And this is the magic of this bot. So if I go into my calculator right now, $45,840 with 200 lot size. If I divide this by 2, if this was a 100 lot size, then this will be $22,920. If I divide this by 2 again, and this will be 50 lots, and it will be $11,460. If I times this by 3 weeks, there we go, $34,380. You would have already passed phase 1, passed phase 2, and been up $4,380 in profit. This is basically a no-brainer, you guys. And everyone in our trading discussion group, in our VIP community, have been using the same trading strategy. We secured another payout from FTMO. And when you guys join, you guys will be added into our trading discussion group where we break down strategies. And we have been doing live trades with our group, with all of the different members. No need to stare at charts all day. Just install the bot, trade for 30 minutes a day, and let the bot work its magic. If you guys are interested, hit the link in the description. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started and join our community with close to 1,000 members of like-minded traders.